Monster wedge tornado on the ground. I'm gonna back up.
I can't tell where it's moving.
It's right there.
I know.
Right towards us.
Yeah, that's what's freaking me out.
Hey, that guy's gonna get hit! Oh my god.
Oh,
keep
no,
rolling, keep rolling. He's gonna get hit. He's gonna get hit. What are you doing, man? Go, baby, go! Satellite vortices. Watch for satellite vortices. Watch for satellite vortices.
Oh wow. He passed right in front of it.
Answer it. Answer it.
Hello? No, this is Kyle. I'm with Eric right now. We have
monster wedge tornado on the ground right now.
Eric.
No, I can't. I'm recording.
He said he can't right now.
Baseball size hail. Watch for satellite vortices. Watch for satellite vortices.
Hello? Hello?
It's rain wrapped. It's going rain wrapped on us. Baseball size hail. Monster wedge tornado on the ground right now. Woo! Woo! It's going rain wrapped on us though. It might cycle out. It might recycle. I don't know though. I mean, it's tough to tell.